this is the last lecture on pivot table. So here we'll discuss about a very interesting thing, that is pivot chart. So pivot chart, you can create chart from your pivot table. So here I will guide you how you can create a pivot chart. So from here, from insert option, insert tab, from you can go to the right side, and then near the charts option you can see that there is a option that pivot chart. So from here, by clicking here, you can see that they have created a chart from these data. So for which salespersons, here it has been says the legend option, the order ID, and then salesperson sum of amount, which salespersons sold the which order ID. So you can add the total order amount on the legend series, so you can customize it. So here you can customize your chart. So here you can see that they have created a new chart. Here this which product ID and how many sales it has been generated by each salesperson. So from here you can customize in these pivot chart fields, and then it will create this chart automatically. So here I can uncheck the order amount, it will be like this, and then and now the chart pivot chart has been it doesn't have any relevancy. So I can say that we can add the order amount, and then this pivot chart make a relevant chart. So by clicking and unclicking, checking and unchecking from these pivot chart fields, you can create pivot charts within a very few seconds, and you can place, you can drag or place this one. I have made this mistake here, so I can I can make it legible here. You can make change here by dragging here from the anywhere in the worksheet. So it's very easy and it's very interesting to work with Excel. That's all for this lecture.